It's the year 1453 and the city of Constantinople, the last remnant of the Roman Empire, is on the brink of collapse. Constantinople, situated at the crossroads between Europe and Asia, stood as a shining symbol of power and prestige. The capital of the Byzantine Empire had endured for 1,000 years, witnessing the rise and fall of empires. The Byzantine Empire, known for its opulence and rich cultural heritage, flourished under the protection of Constantinople's mighty walls. Meanwhile, the Ottoman Empire, under the ambitious Sultan Mehmed II, was steadily expanding its dominion. Constantinople, with its vast wealth and strategic location, became the ultimate prize for Mehmed's empire. In the spring of 1453, Sultan Mehmed II assembled a formidable army, determined to conquer Constantinople. He knew that capturing the city would solidify his empire's dominance and open new horizons for trade and conquest. Emperor Constantine XI Palaiologos, the Byzantine emperor, realized the impending threat. He rallied his people and prepared the city's defenses, reinforcing the legendary Theodosian walls and gathering a small but valiant army.
I will die defending it. Anyone who loves me and their empire, take up your swords and join me in this battle!
As the siege commenced, Constantinople found itself encircled by the Ottoman forces. The city's supply routes were gradually cut off, and its people braced themselves for a struggle that would test their resilience and fortitude. The siege of Constantinople was marked by brutal clashes and relentless assault. The Byzantine defenders fought with unwavering determination, employing ingenious tactics to repel the overwhelming Ottoman forces. Sultan Mehmed II unleashed a new weapon upon the city, massive cannons capable of tearing down even the mightiest walls. Despite the valiant efforts of the Byzantines, breaches were made in the defenses, and the city's fate hung in the balance. Emperor Constantine, a beacon of hope for his people, led by example. He stood at the forefront, inspiring his soldiers and urging them to fight to the last breath in defense of their beloved city. He declared, "God forbid that I should live as an emperor without an empire. As my city falls, I will fall with it. Whosoever wishes to escape, let him save himself if he can. And whoever is ready to face death, let him follow me." The final assault on Constantinople was unleashed with real ferocity. The city's defenses crumbled, and the once invincible walls were breached. The Byzantine defenders, outnumbered and exhausted, fought with desperate courage, but their resistance was no match for the overwhelming Ottoman force and their cannonballs. Emperor Constantine, refusing to abandon his post, fought alongside his men until the bitter end. In a solemn moment of sacrifice, he fell, his name forever etched in history. With the fall of Constantinople, the city was subjected to a frenzy of looting and destruction. Countless treasures were lost, and the once great capital of the Byzantine Empire lay in ruins. However, the fall of Constantinople carried profound consequences that reverberated throughout the ages. Greek scholars, seeking refuge, fled westward, carrying with them the knowledge and wisdom of the ancient world. Their arrival sparked a revival of learning and became a catalyst for the Renaissance in Western Europe. The fall of Constantinople also triggered centuries-long conflict between the European powers and the Ottoman Empire. And perhaps most importantly, it inspired the Christian world to venture westward to eventually discover, settle, and colonize. As for the city's name, Constantinople's name was only changed to Istanbul in 1930, outliving the Byzantine Empire by 470 years and even outliving the Ottoman Empire by 8 years. Ultimately, the legacy of the fall of Constantinople is the end of the most successful and longest-lasting empire in history. Not only did it end the Roman Empire, but the period in which the whole Roman Empire existed, the Middle Ages. And it eventually led to the early modern period, a period of exploration, colonization, trade, technological innovation, and the rise of empires. Thanks for watching, until next time.